everyone, I'm Sarah and this is BudgetSew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my loungewear sewing pattern haul from simplicity.com. If you like this video, please subscribe to BudgetSew and follow me on social media at BudgetSew. Just a quick note before we get started. Today, I'm wearing Simplicity 8243. The link to the video with the sew along is right here at the top of the screen. The next pattern is McCall's 8381, a robe, tie belt, and nightgown by Laura Ashley. The vintage 1980s long robe has a V neckline with a tie, a collar with self fabric ruffle, pockets in the side seams, a buttoned front opening, self fabric tie belt, and long sleeves with gathered caps that have cuffs with ruffles. The long, high-waisted, gathered pullover nightgown has a bodice with a square neckline trimmed with purchased ruffling, armhole ruffles, and button placket opening. The robe and nightgown have top-stitched hems. This authentic vintage reproduction includes additional size options and cutting layouts. This pattern is so pretty and feminine. The nightgown would make a lovely summer dress. I'm picturing it in a lovely yellow gingham with cork wedge heels and a big brimmed summer hat. Next, there's Vogue 1928, published in 2022. This elegant nightgown has a V neckline, shoulder pleats, a self tie at the waist, baby hems, and angular back seams. The nightgown includes long bishop sleeves with pleats, narrow binding, and a slit opening at the wrist with a snap closure. This nightgown can be made in mid-knee and evening lengths. The suggested fabrics are charmeuse, crepe de chine, rayon challis, and silk broadcloth. This glamorous nightgown reminds me of 1930 style nightgowns and will make a beautiful dress as well, depending on the fabric. Then there's McCall's 6474 from 2021. This loose-fitting pullover top, tunic, and gowns have V necklines, neckbands, and front yokes. View A has short sleeves and views B and D have long sleeves with pockets stitched in place. View C is sleeveless and it's finished with purchased trim. The semi-fitted straight leg pants in two lengths have an elastic waist. All garments have stitched hems. This pattern is designed for lightweight and medium weight moderate stretch knits such as jersey, stretch velvets, sweatshirting, and cotton interlock. I've decided to make comfy clothes for around the house and pajamas too, and this pattern is perfect. Since these are made from a knit fabric, no one would know they're pajamas if someone dropped by unexpectedly. I ordered 2 other patterns for this purpose as well. Then there's Butterick 6945 from 2023. This button front top or dress have split necklines, front released pleats, shaped and stitched hems. View A has short sleeves and View B's armholes are finished with purchased bias tape. The semi-fitted straight leg pants have an elastic waist. The recommended fabrics are moderate stretch knits with 35% cross-grain stretch, such as cotton interlock, French terry, and jersey. This is a wonderful pattern for lounging around the house clothes. I have some black ice fabric from FabCycle that would be perfect for this pattern. This black ice fabric looks and feels wonderful. It's a jersey polyester knit, 144 centimeters wide, and is a 3.85 meter bundle. This fabric was originally $30.80, but with my 25% off discount, I paid $23.10 for the bundle, which broke down to $6 a meter. Now, if someone came to my door and I was in this pattern with this fabric, no one would know that I was wearing my lounging around the house clothes. Next, there's Butterick 5963. This loose-fitting wrap robe has bands, a front pocket extending into the right tie end, a left tie end, long sleeves, side pockets, and stitched hems. The fitted pullover top or gown has princess seams, a contrast back yoke, bias facings, and a narrow hem. The semi-fitted straight leg pants have an elastic waist. And the bag, yes, the bag comes with the pattern, has a purchased ribbon drawstring. This pattern is designed for lightweight woven fabrics and moderate stretch knits. The robe and drawstring bag may be made from knits such as jersey and cotton knits, whereas the top, nightgown, pants, as well as the drawstring bag may be made from charmeuse, satins, crepe de chine, and cotton blends. The contrast on the nightgown should be made from lace. The recommended notions for the robes are 1.5 yards of 1/2-inch ribbon. The pants need 1.25 yards of 3/4-inch elastic, and the drawstring bag needs 1 yard of 1/2-inch ribbon. I had been eyeing this pattern on Amazon for a long time, but it was in the wrong size, one size too small. I didn't think that it was available on the Simplicity site, so I was surprised when I found it. The next pattern is Simplicity 8800 from 2019. Lounging around will be a breeze with this light and airy cozy set. This pattern includes a robe in 2 lengths with an optional tie and pocket, pull-on wide leg pants with an elasticized waistband, a crossover top which looks like a camisole, and a bralette. Mix and match these pieces however you like. The suggested fabrics are challis, charmeuse, cotton lawn, crepe de chine, silky types, and voile. View ease robe in lengthwise striped fabrics only. The bralette and crossover top require 2 1/2-inch buttons, and the pants need 1.25 yards of 1.125-inch wide elastic. This pattern is so pretty and comfy. I love the pants with the flat front, but they have an elasticized waist. The shorter robe looks stylish and expensive with a striped fabric cut on the crosswise grain. The next pattern is Butterick 6838. This very loose-fitting, slightly flared nightgown has gathers at the bust, a self-lined yoke, sleeve variations, a stitched hem, and purchased trim. View A has 3/4 length sleeves and is above the mid-knee length. View B is sleeveless and falls below mid-calf. View C has short sleeves and is evening length, and View D has 3/4 length sleeves and is evening length as well. The recommended fabrics are baptiste, lightweight broadcloth, cotton flannel, lightweight satin, and eyelet. All views require 3/8 of an inch lace edging. You'll need 2 yards for View A and C, 2.5 yards for View B, and 1.25 yards for View D. I thought this pattern was really pretty and feminine. I love the little bows at the hems of the sleeves on View D. I'm not sure which length of nightgown I'm going to make because I like both the below mid-calf and the evening length. I think I might go fabric shopping to find the perfect fabric for this pattern. Then there's Simplicity 9729, a Madeline easy to sew pattern published in 2023. The pullover full slips with an empire waistline and lace trim have a calf length flared skirt or above knee length straight skirt. The pull on above knee length half slip has wide elastic waistline casing and lace trim. The Madeline website advertises this pattern as a long slip, short slip, and half slip with endless wearing possibilities. It said, lingerie as lingerie, lingerie as outerwear, lingerie as everyday clothing. However you want to phrase it or wear it, lingerie, be it bras, bralettes, underwear, lacy slips, are being worn both in the bedroom as well as outside the house as tops, bottoms, and dresses. It continued, as opposed to previous decades, today's iteration are less peekaboo and more everyday wardrobe staples. The suggested fabrics on the pattern envelope are charmeuse, crepe de chine, silky types, and tricot. And the Madeline website also recommends silk, rayon, cotton, and knit. 1 yard of 1.5 inch elastic is required for the skirt of view C. All views also require 2 to 2.5 inch flat lace. View A will need 2 yards, view B requires 3 5/8 yards, and view C needs 1 3/4 yards. I wear slips under my dresses and I thought it would be fun to make one for myself. I wish that this pattern came with a camisole top to match the slip, but I'll just shorten the slip to make the top. Those are all the loungewear patterns that I bought from Simplicity, but there are some great loungewear patterns that you can download for free. I'll post the links to all the free patterns in the description box below. The first is the Hickory Sewing Ensemble free sewing pattern from Mood Society. This free PDF unisex pattern was a collaboration with Sew Your View. This comfy and fashionable pattern is for a loose crewneck raglan sleeve sweatshirt and casual sweatpants with an elastic waist and cuffs. The recommended fabrics are French terry, fleece knit, sweater knits, and velour knit. If you're using a sweater knit that is not quite stretchy enough, then maybe go up a pattern size. This pattern calls for 1 yard of rib knit for the collar and cuffs, but you can also use self fabric for these pieces. 1 yard of elastic is required for the snow pants. Now I've downloaded a few mood patterns and I'm sewing one of them right now. The Almond Bodysuit by Mood is one of my whips, and I'm using a knit fabric that I thrifted from Value Village. I think Mood is fantastic for providing free sewing patterns. The second free PDF pattern is also from Mood, and it's the Anais 2-piece lounge set. It has chic flounce detailing. This set features a button-up shirt with collar and long sleeves with flounces, and pants with flared ruffle cuffs. The Mood website says that this ensemble is designed to have you stand out even when you stay at home. Whether you're dancing the night away or snuggling on the couch, this will be your cozy companion. Mood made up this set in a black and rainbow striped nylon print, but velour and foil knits are also recommended. 6 buttons and 1 yard of 1.5 inch black elastic is required for this project. The flounces make these coordinates look dressy and fun. The next pattern is the Adult Classic PJ and Nightgown pattern in woven or knit by Ellie and Mac. This gender expansive sewing pattern includes a woven and knit option. It's 6 patterns in one and includes a woven button-up top, woven pajama pants with pockets, and a woven button-up nightgown, a knit pajama top, knit pajama pants, and a knit nightgown. The recommended fabrics are flannel, cotton, lycra, rayon, fleece, French terry, viscose, satin, silk, and satin-like fabrics. Just be sure to match the stretch requirements to the specific pattern piece. This free sewing pattern comes in sizes extra small to 6XL and is drafted for both the height of 5'5" and 5'10". The instructions include steps for adjusting the pattern for height differences if needed. The Slipper Boots free PDF pattern from Tilly and the Buttons is a perfect finishing touch to your handmade cozy pajamas. To complete this project, you'll need 30 centimeters or 3/8 of a yard of main fabric, which would be a medium to heavyweight sweatshirting, fleece, velour, or woven cotton. 30 centimeters or 3/8 of a yard of lining fabric of faux fur, fleece, jersey, fleece velour or flannel, and 30 centimeters or 3/8 of a yard of cotton wadding. Anti-slip rubber dotted fabric is optional. The final free PDF pattern is the Harlow Pajamas from Charm Patterns by Gertie. Inspired by old Hollywood glamour, this set will have you lounging in style. The high-waisted elastic pair of pants are paired with a tunic-style top. The waist sash and faux frog closures give these PJs a dose of style. Make them in a silky solid for a Jean Harlow effect, or use a cute printed cotton for a beach pajama vibe. Use 1 or 2 fabrics for the top, sash, and bottom. Fabrics with a solid or fluid drape, such as cotton lawn, rayon challis, or crepe, or silk charmeuse for the ultimate luxury. The Harlow pajamas are sized in US women's sizes 2 to 20, with separate pattern pieces for A to C cup sizes, D to F cup sizes, and G to H cup sizes. This pattern is designed to have an easy fit with up to 10 inches of ease in the bust and hips. I hope you enjoyed my loungewear and pajama sewing pattern haul from simplicity.com. Subscribe to BudgetSew for more great videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.